Wall Street Pete! Sicto in crypto. What's going on, everyone? Do we have a long, exciting day? I couldn't wait to tell everybody what a day we're having. This is exciting news, huh? Live stimulus bill updates. House to vote on Biden's 1.9 trillion. Well, the COVID bill Wednesday, as they said, right? Oops, I said wovid. Not really allowed to say that word. Anyhow, the stimulus check is coming, whether you like it or not. Wednesday, they basically spoke about it. So on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, it should be passed. Everything will be going through. What's going on? Bitcoining, Cash App. Bitcoin, you can now get money back. This has been old news that's now really just coming to my mind and my network of people. Mr. Chucky Fowler. Cash App will allow the user of its cash card to earn Bitcoin for the purchases they make. I said Chucky Fowler because it's a friend of mine, like a really, really best friend of mine. I was just talking about this. Right now, earn Bitcoin instantly when you use your cash card, only with Boost. Go on here. See what happens here. And you just don't is that insane? Could you imagine you buying everything of what you want, what you like, and what you need, and you're getting Bitcoin back? Excuse me? Well, what did you just say? Excuse me? Say it again. Hold on. Wait. Excuse me? Because anybody who does that, I want a part of. I'm sorry. That's just me. Maybe I'm a sick person, but I like money. I love opportunities too. And as I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, although I do love the things that we're doing here and how we're making things happen. We are now approaching Bitcoin right now at 55.6. That's pretty amazing. Earn Bitcoin using Boost on cash card purchases. Bitcoin Boost can be found in the Boost carousel and work just like normal Boosts, but allow you to earn Bitcoin on cash card purchases. So it tells you how. Tap the cash card tab on your home screen, press save and Boost. Tap on Boost, tap add Boost. This is like a mining thing. Wow, interesting. Start earning Bitcoin on your purchases. Start the investing tab on your home screen. Select Bitcoin. From here, you can buy and sell Bitcoin and view how much Bitcoin you've earned. There are no fees applied to Bitcoin Boost. You can also view how much Bitcoin you've earned on a specific transaction by tapping the cash card and transaction. This is very exciting. I can't wait to check this out. I'm not kidding. So it's Boost. Check it out. This is how big everything's growing. And if you didn't know, yeah, you could buy Bitcoin on Cash App. You can also buy it on Venmo. It's another very popular app that people use. So this is how big everything's growing. The stimulus, why I brought the stimulus up. Basically, the stimulus goes against what Bitcoin does. So the dollar, if we print money, if anybody didn't know, Bitcoin basically goes up upon that news. And as you can see, we're right in that alley. Congratulations, everybody who bought Bitcoin at that moment where they were down here, right? What did we do? They got all excited. Even people who bought here. Some people got in on February 20th, right? What were we at? Well, we were at about, let's say, what? Right here is 58,500. We went a little higher than that. 58,000, and then a lot of people see this, correct? What do we see down here? Look at the movements. I was just showing the left and right from the up and down trends. 42,689. So if you were in this, you see here 48,629. We are now in the uprising trend. Well, can we be honest? We were still in a bull market, but we were heading downward. And it's just a simple fix to check it out, just to give you all the heads up on, what you're looking at. Sometimes TradingView doesn't like to work with you, and it's fine. You'll get used to it. So yeah, we were on a downward trend. I mean, really, this is really sloppy. I apologize, but you would move it, you adjust it, as you see, right? And then we bounced off this long-term trend line. This is all you can do by yourself. I mean, it's not that difficult. You just do the trend line, and what happens is now we're on the resistance. It's my orange line. Everybody knows who follows me. My support line is down here. It's not a coincidence, right? We did hit this. This was the 55,000 green on my last one. Remember this mess? See my green? I moved basically this was never my resistance. It was just there. I forgot to erase it. So what I did was I took my there and I erased the green and I basically just did that. That's all I did. So on here, This orange, it's no coincidence that we hit our resistance and now we're feeling that resistance. So this is the hourly. On the hourly, it's basically tapping here. I expect us to come down. I do. I don't know how much though. That's the question. All this excitement that's been going on, it's not going to be much. So my prediction on Bitcoin, and I have another couple predictions of engines correcting as we speak. Mana, I believe, is falling like big time. I wanted to tell everybody that one. I have a thing set up. Mana is 1,000% falling. Let me get to it. I don't know why I did that. I got so excited for everybody that I'm screwing around here. But damn it, I knew I did that wrong. That's fine. Anyways, we talked about that. I wanted to do a prediction as far as I think we will see 65,000, 70,000 on this run. But what I wanted to go over was mana. So because I didn't want to see this M, look at this M. You can see it. It's kind of scary. This is going to be huge. If we don't fall down to here, right there, I want to say about 47.5. This is Mana Decentraland. This is the NFT token property, basically the land, the platform. It's one of them. Iconic is another. You can buy these. NFTs are on fire. So you don't have to buy those basketball NFTs, was my point last night in the video. You don't have to go buy an NFT coin and be like, wow, I need to buy packs. I want to, but you don't have to. If you want to get in on this, you could just buy Bitcoin and buy these coins. So get Engine, get Mana, and you'll be on a good start. Now we have Mana here, right? Decentraland. I see this as a buyback on my 50% retracement. You get a 50% retracement, usually in a healthy bull market. I don't think we're in a healthy bull market. That's my personal opinion. Wall Street Pete, Sicto, and Crypto. If you like everything that's been going on, please hit that like and subscribe button. I definitely would like to get some more subscribers. We're moving up. We're doing well. I'm hopefully helping everybody out. Like I said, 50% in a bull market. There it is. I do not expect it to hit here. Everything's going insane. If you were to ask me when, I would say, baby, if it hits 49, then buy back at 49 on that dip. I'm telling you, NFTs are so hard. I don't know what man is going to do. Everyone got so excited. Everyone's seen the news. Everyone got so educated. This next dip may not be as high. You know what I'm saying? Like it just may not. And then you got Bitcoin flying up. You have to put all of this into consideration. You do. Engine, same thing, right? Engine, we were at 107. Let's look at the date. We can do it together. March 6th. Oh, Lord. I just laugh at the date because it was 3 days ago. March 6th, I told everyone to buy. It was my baby, right? We said that on the last video. I love Engine. Start your engines. All the way to $1.96. My 50% retracement would have been, I guess, $1.51. This is the correction. Don't pay attention to these lines, please. This line is definitely, in my mind, was a support line that is going to get broken, but I don't know. Part of me wants to say buy on this line. Look. Oh, wow, I didn't have it set up right. I did something wrong. I apologize. What I had was a buyback. So I put a little comment here. And what it was here. Buyback, rebuy, whatever, and that's what I was going to do. I'd obviously still own. I didn't sell out. I'm not silly. We do dollar cost averaging, right? Like we always talk about. So I expect somewhere maybe up here. I don't know. It's so difficult right now with everybody coming in. You got to look at your freaking DMI, right? We got to pull it out. We got to look at it. We can't really fool around. I took it away because I wanted to see everything else in a bigger picture here. As you can tell, it's you either zoom in like that, see a little more. Now you see what's happening on this action. I pulled up my DMI, by the way. So we're doing these waves. We touched, we broke through resistance, then it said, oh no, hell no, we're not doing that, and then we got the correction. This is the hourly. Time did move. The start of it was the 3rd. As you see what we did from the 3rd to the 6th, 3 days. We significantly went up here from 109 all the way to 152. I mean, look at these moves in 3 days. So you got to put that into detail. You have to put that into consideration as well. That's big detail is what I was going to say. You go from 152, and then now you're back all the way down to 109 hitting your resistance line. So that's all in the same day. That's ridiculous. 3 more days here, down, right? March 6th. What did we do? The day later, 177 there, back to 109. You just made a 60 something cent gain. I don't know how much money you put in. Do you want to know how much percentage? Well, then you get your little handy dandy tools out and you do a little fun for yourself, right? That's where it was. If you sold out and you're never going to sell it at the top. You're never going to sell at the top unless you're like lucky, number one, in doing this DMI and watching these things fall when it's happening. They do give you some detail, like I said, 15-minute, hourly, things like that nature. Let's just pretend we were doing a little trading analysis. We're sitting here at the computer like a nut, like I do sometimes, and we sold out at 109 instead of 196, right? We lost 6 cents on the high. We got lucky. This is a great sellout. It wouldn't happen. I didn't do it. Like I said, I sold at 187, I believe. Still, that's very, pat on the back for that. It was a good job. I expect to see somewhere coming down off this. If we start touching this 160, I would buy back immediately. So that's my point of view. That's my technical analysis. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Please hit that like and subscribe notification button. You can go live if I do have information like I did say with Mana. What did I say? We're falling. If you do have some Mana Decentraland, as I've been harping on buying it, right? And I even said it from the 6th to buy it. So if you bought it at the 6th, like I said, you had it at 34 cents. I told you on the 6th. I did. Engine, you doubled your money pretty much. You were really pretty damn close. So now, all right, you didn't have double anymore. You're watching it come down. Yes, you can sell out a little bit, but we're not going down much further than there. Depending on how much money you have in, you do percentages, right? Come down to the percentage from where we're at now, which is what, 52 cents, closer to 53, right? Round up a little. You're looking at not much more of a cent move. Hold it, and we'll do our cup and handle formation, and we're in a bull market. So, but like I said, look, if you've seen this coming earlier, I was busy today. I've had some crazy family news and stuff. What else is new, right? And everybody's life is busy, and if you're not stressing, you're not living. I hope everybody had a good day on that remark, but so we've seen that M, correct? All right, well, this is what else I see now. Get ready. Hold on. Okay. And then I want to see something like that. Oh, and I forgot to say March 10th was the day. So yeah, let me erase that. That was wrong. I did yesterday on a video. I put March 10th on Engine, and I felt really stupid, and I did it immediately. But I expected like a W, something like that. So maybe it's not the 10th. Oh, it is. It does end at the 10th. I wanted an upwards rising W. I don't know if we're going to get that much of a correction. So if we do, like I said, look somewhere at the 50-cent range. Let's look at the 50-cent range, see if we come down. I will rebuy at 50 cents and be confident I didn't make a mistake. Okay? So if you're in Mana, we probably are going to see this price at the worst case scenario, 47.5, 48 cents. That's the worst case scenario, I think, on a 50% retracement in a bull market. Same thing with Engine. I did the same thing. So please follow these things. If you are interested in getting in, get TradingView. You can have a smartphone, you can get TradingView. You can have a PC, you can have TradingView. I use both of them. My woman hates me. The love of my life, the beautiful woman, Cindy. I love her. She hates it. I'm on it all the time. I get tired of people being on their phones. It makes me look like a hypocrite, but this is for money. Please look at these dollar cost averages in and out. Pay attention. Okay, look at the pattern. The pattern's very similar. Here, see the M? Do you see the M? I got to do it before I get off. Look, it's a very crappy M, but there's an M there. It's an M there, okay? That M always has movement. 118, okay, all the way to 152. There was movement. There was a lot. If you could dollar cost average a small percentage of your profits in and out, you'll be very happy. Like right now, it's the same thing. So we're going to get some movement sideways action. You're going to get a little bit further down. We're going to touch the support, and then we're going to bounce back up. We could get a retracement at 151. I'm trying to explain to you this is worst case scenario. This middle price is worst case scenario. It's not possible. I want to make this clear. I'm not saying that we have to buy at 151. We have to sit here and wait and wait. The way the NFTs are moving, the way Engine's moving, reminds me of a real friggin' Engine. It's driving me insane. People are FOMOing in, people are seeing it. People can't stop the 3-day growth. People are noobs. People are new at this as well. You got to remember that. So now they're dumping all their money in. What's going to happen? They all bought it at $1.96, thought it was going to 2, got so excited. We finally seen our retracement. What did I say? I was hoping for 205, okay? Guess what? We didn't see it. I was 10 cents, 9 cents off. I'm sorry. We're getting our retracement. I'm telling you right now. I explained to you what Manny was doing. Bitcoin, we have a mess over here, but I'll go over here. It's a little better, a little less of a mess, right? This is our loop. Get rid of that. But do your trend lines. Do everything you need to do. Look at our information I gave you tonight. The stimulus checks are coming out. Basically, the stimulus checks are coming out tonight. That's what they're signing it. By tomorrow morning, everything's signed, everything's official. The middle of March, you're going to start seeing your money. That's what's going to happen, about mid-March. You'll see it. People are going to start getting it. People are going to invest in Bitcoin. People are going to buy their fun things. People are going to do stupid crap with their money. A lot of people are going to FOMO into Bitcoin because they're going to get excited on this run. We're going to see about 60K shortly. That big loop I had that was telling you March 17th to the 20th, I strongly believe that that's what's going to happen. I think we're going to calm down here, and everyone's going to see a high 55,000. That's it. We're going to see 60K, like I said on the other day when I said March 7th was a big day. Well, stick with me. It's 3/9/21. Give me another 10 days, okay? Another week, maybe another week. We're going to blast off to the moon here. Bitcoin is doing things. Projects are coming out. There's so much going on. There's so many institutions jumping in. There's so many people that want to get in and can't get in right now. Let me explain. I can't finesse that enough. That's one of the issues. There's so many people trying to get their money in. They can't. They're having issues. It's user problems. I'm talking to people, and they're telling me it's not the easiest thing to control and work. So you have to put all this into consideration. All the news I show up in the beginning of this video, it's very important. Why we have a 54% increase and why there was only a 26% retracement. I mean, go over the stuff I was showing you. I'm going to get off. I'm sorry the video did go a lot longer than I expected, but I wanted to tell you, like 54.62%, we rose up so high in that small time, February 8th, all the way to the 21st. So, you know, you give yourself 13 days, 2 weeks, and you can't be confident in a 54% gain, like on your money. That's pretty ridiculous. So this is the kind of growth I'm telling you. We're in a bull market. We're moving up. Look at this. Look at this line all the way from when? December 12th, 2020. Look at. I mean, you can remember how many times everyone said Bitcoin's done. It's at 50K. It's done. It falls. This is a big picture. That's the problem. I zoomed out. If you really went smaller and got into what happened, like here it is. This is how you get it smaller. This is a scary, volatile thing, right? That's what I'm trying to explain to everyone. All right. Well, I'm out. Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, please hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Everyone have a wonderful, safe night. We have a nice long week ahead of us. I expect a little bit of sideways action tonight. We could see probably 54.5K, 54,000, and then maybe another jump up to 56, 57. We'll find out. Like I said, I expect pretty soon. Have a great night, everyone. Safe, peace in, and peace out.